we've talked about entertainment, we've talked about comedy. Let's add in the drama line and see how drama shifts over the different aspects of storytelling, of story structure, and also how it begins to fill in what it's like to move through the modes of expression in a single class. Dramatically speaking now, we're going to be looking at the equivalent of a situation told somberly, and that would be an exploration drama. Let's look at our first clip. So in terms of exploration drama in the verdict, we can now compare it to entertainment through atmosphere in universe, or comedy through universe in a situation comedy, or now in a drama, the verdict, an exploration situation, exploration drama. They all have a fixed situation. One explores it for entertainment, one for comedy, one for drama. But notice that it slips in for a period into situation comedy. Again, it slips one over because once we find out that she's got this information that he didn't know about, and that over here we have a photocopy that proves it, but the ruling goes against him that it'll be ruled on presently, which means that she gets to state her case in front of the jury. As a result of that, now the lawyer, James Mason, finds himself in really hot water, and so we're up here in a situation comedy briefly, and then it works its way back into the situation drama. So again, the mode of expression has shifted, okay, even though we've stayed within the same class. In this point, over in Tootsie, we've moved from one class to another sideways, so that even though we stayed in comedy, because here he was had the water thrown in his face, and then he wipes his face on the other fellow's coattails. So we stay in comedy, but shift the kind of comedy. Here we stay in universe in a situation, but shift the kind of situation. And you begin to see how you can move through the chart, flow through, chart a pathway for your audience. Again, we'll get to more of that soon. But what happens if we have a intersection of physics and drama? Well, we've seen thrills, we've seen physical comedy, now we expect physical drama. And what would that be? It's an action drama. It's primarily an action drama in the Wild Bunch. Now, looking along the drama line, you can see that the verdict, you can feel the somberness of it, the tension of it. You can feel the tension over in the Wild Bunch. So the dramatic aspect is maintained. But you can also sense how it's moved from a situation into actions that are taking place, played somberly, not played for thrills like Speed, and not played for comedy like the Three Stooges, The Great Race, but played for dramatic impact. All right, moving on along now, continuing the drama line, we come to the intersection of drama and mind, which is, I guess, like Hollywood and Vine, but intersection of drama and mind brings us to the bias drama. Bias drama. Now, why? Because this is an attitude. And remember, we had an attitude that the audience has, a high concept. We have a comedy of manners that occurs over here. And then we're going to move down, and that was crimes and misdemeanors. Then we're going to move down here to looking again at an attitude, but because it's dramatic, it's a bias drama about attitudes treated somberly. It's still dramatic. It has the same feeling of somber tension that we had in Wild Bunch, that we had in The Verdict. Still dramatic. Nothing funny about it. Nothing overly entertaining about it. But we can look under mind and see that there's also a similarity. A fixed concept that is played for entertainment. A fixed attitude that is being played for comedy, Crimes and Misdemeanors with Alan Alda. And a fixed attitude that is played somberly in a bias drama. Once again, our spectrum of our palette here continues to grow, leaving us only a little bit more to fill in. Let's complete the drama line now. Let's take a look at when psychology meets drama. What happens then? Then we're looking at a manner of thinking in a very somber way. instead of looking at it in terms of the twists, instead of looking at it as errors, we look at it in terms of manipulations. We call it a growth drama, but it's actually a manipulation drama, just like twists manipulate, errors manipulate, but we call it a growth drama because you see character growth taking place through the manipulations one person has upon another. So we've now looked at Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf as a growth drama, and again you can feel the tension coming all the way through, lots of drama, so it continues in the drama line. In psychology line, you have twists, misunderstandings that are played for entertainment, misunderstandings that are played for errors, and misunderstandings that are played for character growth or manipulations. Now, you'll find that it's interesting, there are some funny parts of that. Why are they funny? When she doesn't understand, when she makes errors. So again, we move one up from Virginia Woolf, and we go from a drama that is psychology to comedy that is psychology, and then back to drama, and then back to psychology. So we're playing along in this realm here, which is what makes it very unusual, is the slipping back and forth here. But again, notice it's only one item away. Just one item away. Not up here, not over there, just one item away. Important note for later.